just turned 41. I'm trying to write 41 songs in 41 days. Day number 10. Today, I haven't got any plans, so I've decided I'm just going to go through my phone and see if I can find an idea. We've had a bit of snow recently. I'm guessing I'm going to come across loads of ideas about the snow, so let's get cracking. Okay, so I'm just going to go through a few notes on my phone. This one's called Shorts in Snow.
Just a little idea. It's a C major 7. F major 7.
I like the chord changes. C major 7, F major 7. Why do you wear your shorts in the snow? You say you don't feel the cold. Let me give some context to this. I've got a couple of students. This young lad, he's a teenager. I turned up to his lesson and he was wearing shorts. And I said to him, why are you wearing shorts? It's not the weather for shorts. And he went,
oh, I don't really feel the cold.
I know this kid. And he's always cold. But for some reason, when it starts snowing, he wants to show how tough he is. That could be an idea. Let's just refresh my memory on the guitar. C major 7 to an F major 7. So an F, yeah. F major 7, maybe an F hard 9 every so often. I just quite like that. And I've got this change that I really quite like. So there's a nice bass motion I think will work well with vocals. So it's just an A minor 7. Then it changes up to this A minor over G. But I change it to have the D in the bass. F. Or F major 7. And I change that bass up to D again so it gets... I think I've got quite a nice chord progression. I've got this idea, so I might spend a bit more time. It's basically just working on some lyrics now. And I'm guessing that the point that I'm trying to make is that, you know, that... I don't know. I'm guessing the point I'm making is, I've got this image in my mind, I'm struggling with what the point is. So instead of trying to find the point to build towards, I've just kind of come up with this little idea. It's only 4 lines, but I think it kind of works. One breath in cold air, you breathe in the weather, it doesn't bother you. You don't care. Maybe I should just lean into the snow thing. Why is this song so hard to write? I can't help but thinking it is literally because I haven't thought of where it wants to go first. This has been probably the most challenging one so far that I've done because I really don't know what I'm trying to say. Something has to be the connecting point. I've got the verses that I don't mind. I think there's something in there. They need refining and changing, but that's going to happen when I figure out what the fucking point of this song is. I feel like I keep turning the camera on and saying the same thing. I need to find the point of the song. I started off with that stupid line about why do you wear shorts in the snow? You say you don't feel the cold. And it's like my mind is like trying to force me to use it, and I'm thinking I've just got to abandon that because it's just not working. This initial line had inspired lines that worked for the verse sections, but I was so desperate to try and keep this initial idea that it was stopping me from thinking about what the rest of the lyrics were actually trying to say. And getting rid of this initial idea added some clarity to help me figure out what the point of this song was. Right, I think I've cracked it. I think I was going down this path of kind of like having a go about people wearing shorts in the snow, where people can do what the fuck they want. Doesn't matter, and it doesn't even bother me. It was just that was where the idea started from. So the thing that I'm thinking now is I kind of got this image in my head about when it snowed the week. The first day of it was actually great because it was a snow day and we all went out playing, building snowmen, and just having a really nice time. I just thought I'll lean into that and just like maybe kind of build up to the point of it's a snow day. We're wrapped up nice and warm, and we don't care about the cold, 'cause it's a snow day. Day 10, song done. Now this was the most challenging song for me to write so far. Because I had the initial idea that I started with in mind, it felt like I was trying to lead into that idea and it just wasn't working. It came together when I changed that, so the song has completely changed direction. And I know some people are like, well, if it wasn't working, why not just stop? Well, I kind of use this as an exercise in perseverance and problem solving to make the idea work. And there is things in this song that I do like. I'm kind of intrigued what I'll think of it further down the line in a few weeks when I listen back to it. If you want to check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.